Good afternoon, everyone. This is Byron Thomas Auto Sales in Scotland Neck, North Carolina. We're bringing you a quick video walk around of this 2012 Ram 1500 pickup. This is a quad cab with four-wheel drive. Comes with the SLT package, as well as a clean title, so no salvage or flood history. We'll give you a quick walk around and point out some of the features. All right, everyone. So this Ram truck has a nice exterior silver finish. No rust or corrosion, no major blemishes, one small dent on the tailgate which we'll point out to you, but otherwise excellent condition. You can see it's got running boards, some nice chrome details, the alloy wheels, bed liner. As we mentioned, it's a four-wheel drive, comes with the towing package. That's the little dent there towards the top of the tailgate that you can see. We're going to try to improve that some. But overall, the truck is in above average condition. 169,000 miles. Very well taken care of. Here's a quick view of the driver's side. You can see the interior is very clean. The leather overall is in great condition. Just a little tiny wear spot here on the side. Headliner too is in great shape. It's got the power rear sliding window. AC's nice and cold. It's got the tow mode, cruise control. Lots of great features with the SLT package. Here's a shot of the second row. Again, the leather is in great condition. No rips or tears. It's got the floor mats. Carpet's nice and clean, no smoky smell or pet odor whatsoever. Same story here on the passenger side and the front. The seats are in great condition. Very clean. Just a very well maintained truck on the outside and the inside as well. Here's a quick look under the hood. You can see it's very clean, well maintained, no rust or corrosion under here. It's got the 4.7 liter V8 engine, runs nice and smooth. It's got a full set of Cooper tires, right around 50% left on the tread, thereabout. Nice and smooth on the road, and of course you also get, standard with the SLT package, these 17-inch alloy wheels, which are also in great condition. No curb rash, no rust or corrosion. All right, thanks everyone for checking out the video for this 2012 Ram 1500 quad cab SLT four-wheel drive truck with 169,000 miles. We encourage you to check out our website, byronthomasauto.com, where you can find more pictures, as well as a link to this video at our YouTube channel. And then, of course, you can check out our Facebook and Instagram pages where we update our inventory regularly. Have a great day.